Good day everybody, my name is Jared. Welcome to Cool Beans TV. I'm super f***ing excited for this episode. Let's talk about onion rings. We all have that one place in mind when you think of an onion ring. The best restaurant. Every time you go there, you have to order onion rings. It's just, well, that now sucks. Because I'm going to teach you how to make the best f***ing onion rings of your life. In all of the human race, in all of humanity of the onion race, in a world full of what? Tears. Do onion rings make you cry? Does the sunset make you happy? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then follow me in my journey to discover the world's best onion rings. Let's f***ing do this. Oil. Neutral oil. What have I got? I got sunflower oil here. Fill up this motherfucker. Just gonna do it all. Why not? Why not? Right, we're gonna put this baby on high heat. Let's get jiggy with it. While that's heating up, I'm going to start on the other shit. I got my one onion here. I'm gonna cut this up and dissect it. Oh yeah. Cut the tip off. Start peeling it back. Cut the ass off. Don't cut it in half. Having a mad time here trying to peel off these skins. So now that I've cut the ass off, cut the top off, now I'm going to cut it into nice ring sizes. About the circumference of your mom's. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. No discrimination here. A lot of people don't like to use the inner bits because of the size. I do not discriminate against size. I'm going to use it all. The onions start to make you cry after you've cut them. Then you tell them to cut the. Now that I have the onion pieces ready, I'm going to give you the big secret. The big reveal. This is not a f***ing battered onion ring. This is a floured onion ring. Now, over here, I've got 200 grams of all-purpose flour or cake flour. I've got 16 grams of fine salt, 8 grams of paprika, and 5 grams of oregano, dried oregano. I'm gonna mix this baby up. Oh yes. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it, battered onion rings. After you try this recipe, you're gonna go back and regret everything you've basically done in your life. You're gonna say, why the f*** have I been doing battered onion rings? Eating and ordering battered onion rings when I could have been ordering or making this. Promise you, this is so much better. Trust me. Then you're gonna ask some lovely hens to lay 3 beautiful eggs for you. Crack those open. Whoosh. Boom. Little splashy splash of the milk. It's regular old milk. Or you can use any milk you want, really. Mix it up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a double dip, maybe even a triple dip, if you know what I mean. We've got our flour mix here. And you can even add a bit of cayenne pepper or chili powder and you can make them into onion rings things. I do not have a thermometer, so I'm gonna do that. It's not hot enough yet. This be at about 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Please don't do this. Please. Oh, I almost forgot to separate these. Flour, egg, flour, and let's do egg flour one more time. Oh yes. Let's get the hands involved here. Shake it off. Amazing stuff. Where are we at? Let's check our oil. Alright, if you don't have a thermometer like me and you don't want to be an idiot and put your finger in, just do a little dippy dip. The test. Boom, ready. Testing this one here, looking beautiful. So I think we're good to go on the rest. Start plopping these in. Please do not overfill this. Woohoo! We are moving. Let's get set up here. Tray with some paper towel. And we get ready. Oh yes. That is beautiful. That is a beautiful sight, ladies and gents. Almost there, turn off the heat. Nice and drained, not oily, ready to plate up. Get a closer angle for you guys now. These are f***ing crispy as hell. I won't lie. Excuse me. Scene. Everybody? Need I say more? Tell you what. Sorry for the disgusting noises, but I'm lost for words. Guys, this has been super easy. Let's make a mountain to end off here. Please try this recipe out. You won't regret it unless you it up. But otherwise, it's been Jared from Cool Beans TV. Please subscribe for more. That would mean so much to me, so I can make more lovely videos like this. Have a good day.